We have children who don't have tablets. They don't have access to Wi-Fi internet. They're not able to get to the school locations for lunch.
Ivanka Hall knows firsthand how to address many of those immediate needs. She's been on the front lines as early as the onset of the HIV crisis. And even now, during the COVID-19 pandemic, she and her team have launched the Babies and Brunch program.
We have children who are disabled, and we have caregivers that are disabled. And we take food out to them. We take 2 weeks supply so we take breakfast, and then they get all the things they need for lunch for 2 weeks. They get a menu. For us, we wanted to show our community and our children that they're loved, and we show them that they're loved in the food that we give them.
Better days.
And others are hoping for better days. Community leaders are using their platforms to make a difference, like radio host Jeff Brown and community activist Yvonne Pointer. They're feeding first responders, including those at the 2nd District Police Department.
Yeah, we got COVID-19, but guess what? We still got people on the front line. We still got people working. We still got people that are sacrificing their lives for us. So why not? We've been blessed to feed over 2,000 people, frontline workers, off the donations of the people in the community that believe in Hope Haven, that believe in the Jeff Brown Show.
It really helps us out a lot. They took time to say a prayer, and a bunch of people, different people spoke, and they gave different ideas on how they felt about the police and everything, and you just don't hear that.
We have our masks, we have our gloves, we're social distancing. You don't have to stay shut up in the house, fearful to live. You can rise up even in this time. So we're wanting people to know that yes, we're all suffering, yes, we're going through, but if we get out and help someone else, service can save your life.
And Billy Sharp of the Urban League Guild says for true leaders, the work never stops.
We've been all day, we've had a whirlwind. We did a food bank earlier today, trying to make sure people got food. We gave laptops to CMSD students. We're also pushing the 2020 census because we know that's important still. Even though we're dealing with COVID-19, we know some things are still important and have to happen.
Together, we're going to fight COVID-19. And in the midst of a crisis, I found out in this group discussion that when we come together, we find creative ways to help one another, like making masks and distributing them throughout the community.
I'm doing so many, I'm cutting, I'm washing, I'm doing, then the next person might be sewing, then the next person might be putting the hook things on, trying to get them out to the community, see who's doing what. I'd like to make a commitment between all of us. We'd have 1,000 masks by the end of June. You think we can? I know we can.
Come on, we can.
I know we can. 1,000 masks by the end of June. All right?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.